Anjuang.
Ada raji keluarga.
Oh gitu.
Nah, jadi itu tuh yang punya wakilan ada dulu acok mencari apa.
Kalau kini mancak rumah ipah dia kok. Kalau cari ukiran apa?
Kalau ukiran mancak dan sikornya. Mancak sikor. Kalau yang Bu Ipah kadang kan udah tak do apa do mungkin kadang dia seorang sendiri di rumahnya kan sama suaminya kan.
Ini nenek moyang kami. Nasi kita ganti lah.
Please.
Mengandung kami gunanya.
Ini nenek moyang kita. Ini pendiri Rumah Gadang.
Yeah, she's the woman who built the house. Jadi ibu ko yang yang membangun rumah tuh abangnya.
Kamu generasi ke-7.
He's the seventh generation.
He's the seventh generation.
In the seventh generation.
Inilah pendiri moyang kami ini dia.
Nenek moyang ya.
Yang pernah ke Jerman dulu sama ke apa? Ini anak dari ini. Pernah ke Amerika, pernah ke Jerman.
So this guy here, I think now on the picture is he was in America, but this guy also been to Germany too.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, her son.
Her son.
Yeah.
And so this is his like grandmother, maybe?
This one?
Generasi kedua.
The first generation, the second generation of the house.
And he's the
seventh.
Okay.
Seven.
This my father, my mother, mother.
Okay. So the whole ancestry kind of.
Oh yeah.
That's beautiful.
Jadi berdasarkan foto.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah. I guess you can also ask him something
Yeah.
about it while we are here, and I think yeah.
Take pictures this. Ambil pet.
Yeah.
Foto kita lu.
Wie wollen wir das mit dem Ton machen?
Ja,
Soll ich mein Mikro geben, oder?
Yasmin. Sini.
Oder ich nehme nur das Kopf.
Ja, oder du kannst aufkaufen.
Ja.
You just change a little bit our microphone setting.
Yeah.
Because
You can keep it.
you can keep yours.
Yeah.
I just take another one from my camera.
So you're gonna give it to the guy or
And we put it
no?
onto the camera so we can also hear him better, because otherwise we can only
Oh,
hear
okay.
us really
Okay.
good. And then we can also hear him when he talks better.
Oh. Okay.
Could you ask him how important it is to him that he like keeps this culture?
Nyo ba tanya-tanya saya boleh nak?
Yeah. Please.
Yeah. So
Question.
can you go like one more time for the question?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
How important is it to you that you keep this culture alive and yet you remember your ancestry?
Seberapa penting punya kunyak kan baginya untuk mempertahankan budaya Minangkabau dan terus untuk mempertahankan rumah dan sesuai yang punya begini.
Kalau menurut saya ini sebuah sejarah, histori. Sejarah yang harus dipertahankan karena sejarah ini makin lama makin tergerus oleh zaman. Karena sudah lama sekali maka warnanya juga semua mengikuti warna lama. Saya tidak memakai cat di pernis, tonggak-tonggak lama semuanya diikuti. Tidak merubah dari aslinya gitu.
So just to keep the history and the culture alive. So that is why, like for instance, when he renovated the house, he keeps the old look of the house, old look, how it looks back in the day. Yeah.
Beautiful, very beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for letting us come inside.
Ya, makasih boleh masuk sini.
Take a picture.
He wants to take a picture with you guys too. Yeah, together. You too, okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
With me?
Yeah, you too. You can.
Can you just,
Yeah.
just hold it.
All right.
You want to come in the middle?
Boleh.
You in the middle?
Yeah, that's perfect.
1, 2, 3. Jemput.
6.
6.
Tangan 6.
Sik.
Six.
Yeah, 6.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why 6?
So I guess he's running himself as a candidate.
Ah,
Yeah, for
for politician.
yeah.
Yeah.
And he's number 6.
Ah,
Number six.
okay.
Oops, sorry.
Kalau di jalan-jalan ada number 6 is mine.
Nice. You're going to be like the mayor of the town or
Untuk apa tu Nyiak?
Untuk parlemen.
parliament? Indonesian parliament
Oh,
or local parliament?
parlemen.
Local
Pegang lo,
parliament.
cek on.
Very nice. Good luck.
Pikirnya terkecil. Tuan, putar. Ikut aja tak.
Betulnya. Betul. Ini nih.
Mau foto?
Betul.
Sure.
Waduh. Ayo, sini sama-sama.
Yes.
Yasmin.
Nah.
6. Sik. 1, 2. Oke.
Nah, Yasmin, this is my daughter, is my wife.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Nah, this is my daughter.
Tak mati kan? Ah, sip.
One daughter. One
This is
daughter.
my wife.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nah, betul. Yuk. 6.
Sik.
6 apa tuh Nyiak? 6?
KS.
Oke.
Can I ask? We learned that in Minangkabau heritage, the house always goes to the female members of the family. So one day is your daughter.
No.
No?
I'm just daughter-in-law.
Ah, you're the daughter-in-law.
Ya, jadi ini kepemilikan my husband. This is my husband house. So sister. Yeah,
So,
sister.
so his sister,
Yes.
his sister's family will.
Yes.
Oh.
Ah.
Translate.
Wow, she's a beautiful woman.
Iya.
Kalau my wife in Bukit Tinggi,
Ah, okay.
Om. Dan Magek.
It's very interesting.
Yeah. I'm just daughter-in-law in here.
Yeah.
Yes.
How? What do you feel is more important, kind of, or like?
Dia nak serang siko ya, Pak ya.
Why would you say? How important is the women in the family?
Very important because kenapa gimana sih si abang kenapa dibuat seperti itu tuh karena memang menjaga perempuan, makanya warisan tuh turun ke perempuan supaya menjaga perempuan, karena kan laki-laki kalau zaman dulu ya nikah gitu, maksudnya nikah lagi, jadi perempuan yang mendapat harta warisan supaya perempuan dan anak-anaknya terjamin hidupnya tidak terlunta-lunta gitu.
Can you go ask like a question again because I didn't hear it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I asked her how important the women are in the family.
Okay. Apa tadi jawabannya?
Tadi kan gimana
Pentingnya.
berharganya perempuan kan, pentingnya perempuan. Jadi kan perempuan tuh sangat berharga di Minang ini, makanya perempuan yang mendapat harta warisan. Karena kan zaman dulu laki-laki kan nikahnya bisa istrinya lebih ya dari satu. Makanya warisan tuh ditinggalkan sama perempuan supaya perempuannya dan anak-anaknya tidak terlunta-lunta.
Okay. Yeah. One of the reason why the woman is very important in the culture, and also it was like a part of the culture back in the day. Men can marry to multiple women.
Yes.
Yeah. So to secure the woman, because if the men are married to another woman, they need security.
So,
Yeah, that is why the heritage stays on the woman, like because the men they always go like one woman to the other woman to the other woman. So if they're not secure, they will be like homeless. They will be like, you know, they don't have a shelter, they don't have a fields, they don't have anything. Yeah.
So this way they were secure and they would always stay in the.
Yeah. That is why it always stay on the women line. Yeah.
Thank you very much for explaining.
Yeah, maybe like I would maybe like have some more like that what she get like from her mother, from her grandmother, great grandmother.
Yes.
But sometimes, you know, during the marriage life, husband and wife, they say about a piece of land, or maybe they bought a house. That house that they buy, they can divide it to their kids.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So it doesn't have to stay on the woman line.
Yeah.
So on the marriage life, like for me and my wife, we bought a land. We can give it to our son or maybe to our daughters.
So you can split it.
Yeah,
everybody.
sure. Yeah.
Something.
Unless something that my wife get from her mother, from the grandmother, it stays on you know, it stays on the woman line. It stays on my wife line. Yeah.
It's very interesting, but it's also a bit complicated.
In a way, yeah.
Yes.
It is, yeah. It is very complicated in a way. Yeah.
Do you feel like women in Minangkabau families, they have a really good position and then they are important?
Yes.
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 You have a really good and equal relationship?
Yes.
Yeah. Nice. That's beautiful.
Yes.
Foto di kaputan aja.
Apa Pak?
Foto di sini.
Jadi, yeah. He wants to take another picture outside.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. Why not? Yeah.
Any
Please.
question?
Yeah, you can ask. You know, I think she's. Feel free, yeah.
For free.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You also speak good English. You do.
No. I'm just understand what you mean gitu, but no.
When I first read about Minangkabau culture, I found it really interesting because also like in my culture in Europe, usually also always the men, they are the most important. So here I find it really cool that the culture they make women equal and they make them important.
Jadi kalau di Minang perempuan juga ada bundo kanduang. Jadi dia bisa di dalam nagari, dulu kan pemerintah dulu nagari. Dia bisa juga di dalam nagari ikut di dalam pemerintahan menentukan kebijakan.
Yeah. So there is
Apa istilahnya itu? Bundo kanduang lah namanya.
Yeah. I mean we call it bundo kanduang. So back in the day, it was a part of the system of the governmental, like, you know, the Bunda Kanduang, they have a right to also di
nagari ke nagari.
In the village, in the village or maybe in the family and the clan.
Yes.
So every family they have, back in the day, every family or maybe every clan, they have their own Bunda Kanduang.
Yeah,
they have their own Bunda Kanduang. So you know,
What is Bunda Kanduang?
so it's a lady.
Yeah.
Itu biasanya paling tua ya kak ya.
Yeah.
Yang paling tua kan di kampung.
Yeah.
Di kampung
So-
yang bijaksana lah.
Yeah. So the eldest and the most wisest woman in the clan or in the family.
Okay.
Yeah. So she also had a right to, you know, like when everybody is discuss about something, people will also listen to her. Yeah.
So in the end, she's the one to put the foot down.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And what does it mean to you today? Do you still feel today?
Masih ada nggak kak kayak gitu sampai kini?
Masih.
Yes.
Masih. Di dalam nagari sekarang ada bundo kanduang, ada ketua bundo kanduang, ada anggota-anggota bundo kanduang.
Oke.
Jadi di dalam itu tuh kegiatan mereka, jadi supaya adat istiadat ini tidak hilang, Jadi setiap ada acara nanti ada seminar, misalnya meletakkan jamba gimana,
Oh gitu.
nanti piring itu di mana, sendok di mana, orang-orang nih harus berpakaiannya seperti apa, nanti bawa jamba gimana kalau orang pesta gitu. Jadi masih ada.
There is like a group of lady now on the village office, and berapa orang tuh kak grup Bunda Gadang tuh?
Banyak,
Yeah,
lumayan banyak.
there are quite many, and so this group of lady they were taught how to preserve the culture. Like sometimes, ceremony wise, so they will be taught how to set the plate
Yes.
when there is a ceremony, and set up like apa lagi tuh tadi set up some
So they
the way they dress in ceremony,
Yes,
the way they the way they bring food out of from the kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, to because in ceremony we don't use the table, we sit in the floor.
Yes.
Yeah, we sit on the floor. So yeah, there are like some type of setup. So maybe like every ceremony have a different setup.
Yes.
Like a wedding,
Yeah.
different.
Yeah.
When maybe maybe katam kaji mungkin.
Yeah.
Katam kaji means when young kids when they finish the Quran, we also
Seremoni pimpinan klan, datuk misalnya.
the clan leader also different setup. Everything is different. Yeah.
and like in your daily life, like
Sehari-hari ba tuh kak? Sehari-hari.
just
sehari-hari.
usual life when there's no ceremony, just every day.
Yeah.
Do you feel because you're Minangkabau, your life is different than other cultures in Sumatra?
Kalau dalam sehari-hari terpakai nggak kayak gitu?
Kita
Apa?
pakai. Itu buat ada istiadat
Yeah.
atau santun, adat beradab.
Yeah. Yeah, mostly the way they behave amongst amongst the family, amongst the villagers, among the clans. Yeah. I mean,
This is how you still know.
not only for the ceremony, and there are also used in the daily life.
Yeah.
Like maybe the way I talk.
Yeah.
So like before I get in the house, I call this man Pa, but now I know that he's the chief of the clan, the leader of the clan. Now I call him Inyiak. Yeah, because that's how we do it here.
It's like higher, more
Yeah.
formal.
Pa
Yeah.
means like to greet the older
Yeah.
people, but Inyiak more respectful way to call him. Yeah. It's we still
Karena Inyiak lah yang menyelesaikan kalau ada masalah di klan atau antar klan atau orang-orang antar klan, jadi yang menyelesaikan.
So if there are some things going on amongst the clan, or maybe something's going on with different clans, so Inyiak will be the one who solve the problem. Inyiak will be the one who sit with another Inyiak to talk about mostly about to solve the problem.
Apalagi masalah ini loh, tanggal leluhur, sawah,
Yeah.
gadang.
Yeah, mostly they were talking about the land.
Yeah.
Because maybe back in the day there are no certain mark of land.
Ya.
So which land is belong to which family?
Okay.
Yeah,
That's something
so-
that the man will
Yeah.
discuss.
That is something the leader would be discussed. Not only the man, but it always the leader.
Ya.
Yeah, like me.
But so the leader could also be women. It depends.
No.
No.
No, leader is always men.
Yeah,
Yes.
laki-laki tadi tu, Pak ya.
Iya,
Yeah.
always.
Yeah.
Yeah, but from what I understand, from what she's saying before, what she told us before, that the man is always a leader, but the women are always listened to. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because that's why we still have a Bundo Kandung.
Ya.
Yeah.
Karena keputusan juga Bundo Kandong nanti ikut juga gitu.
Yeah, yeah.
Apalagi
yeah.
kalau misalnya tanah ini nanti